Of course, ito EJ, nandito rin sila Jala Atayde.
Oo, tanong
Tommy and
natin ang
Andrew.
feeling ng
We
ano.
wanted to know, kasi kanina nasabi nga ni Andrea na parang kakaiba din yung itatakbo ng characters si dito. So, you wanna share something?
Si Jella muna, bukod sa kakasal ka na, engaged. What else can we expect from Sanya?
Kasi parang kayo yung nag-reunite,
Oo,
nag-grupo.
eh.
I think. Okay.
You don't have to share kung
Yeah,
baka
I guess.
ano.
Yeah, I'm just scared. But
She's very scared.
because this one's like a lot. All I can say is Sonya's a lot different now because of what has happened to her. And I think na-release naman yun which was released in the webisodes. So, yun nga po, namatayan siya ng parents. She lost everything from the really, really happy girl who just wanted to help everyone. There was Kenji who was willing to help her. So yeah, she is now the girl who needs the help. And yeah, I'll stop there.
Yun muna.
Yeah.
Very exciting to din.
Kench tuloy, Tommy.
So ayun, napakalaki din nung pagbabago kay Kenji. So, medyo mamimiss ko yung pagka-marites niya. Sana ganun pa rin siya.
Sure ka na.
Pero, ganun din. Hindi rin ako pwede mag-share masyado.
At least, di ba? May pupuntahan pala.
Yun. Basta nakakaloka lang talaga ang mga pagbabago. Marami din kasing pwedeng magbago sa loob ng isang taon lang sa isang tao. So kung ito, 5 years yung jump, tapos nag-engage siya kay Sanya, parang nung pinitch sa amin to, grabe yung reaction namin. Hindi kami pinag-uusapan namin ni Jella na, nung nalaman namin season 2, oh my gosh, dapat may feeling namin may kasal na.
Alam mo sa
Kaya si Toti Poch or baka mauna si Roxy. Yun pala kami. So parang very surprising for us and yun na lang din maabangan yung maraming surprises na paparating.
And of course, kasama din natin sila. Yes.
During the
Go.
pitching, they couldn't pitch for like a good 3 minutes because the first thing they told us was we were gonna get married and we were just screaming the whole time. Hindi po sila makapitch sa amin kasi nagsisigawan na kami. Tapos me, Tommy, Cyril, and Miggy in the room. And then they just waited for us to settle down kasi hindi po namin ma-process and hindi rin po kami makapaniwala. But then we're here now. So yeah.
Okay.
May
we
question
also
ba
have-
for the new
Yes,
cast members?
kasama natin of course. Sila Ralph De Leon, we also have AC Bonifacio and Harvey Bautista. Kaya
Ano
yung mga
ba?
bago talaga sa set, no? So, how was it, like your experience dito sa set ng High Street?
Ralph, first teleserye mo to, right?
Opo, first teleserye
Hindi
po.
ka ba na-intimidate sa mga, di ba? With the Aquinos, the Romanas, and the Abad Santos SSS, di ba?
Opo, siyempre po nakaka-intimidate kasi bilang bagong artista nga po. Going into a season 2, first of all, and second, a show with household names of this industry. Grabe po talaga yung na-feel kong, hindi pressure, but at the same time, I was like, marami akong matututunan dito. Kasi lahat ng castmates ko, lahat ng mga director ko, producers, and everyone around me, lahat po experienced, and they've gone through this time and time again. So, sa akin po, it's really gonna be a learning experience. And so far, it's been an absolutely wonderful set. Kasi nung naka-work ko po sila, Direk Onat, sila Direk Lino, and yung workshops po with Miss Angeli, I really just do my best to try and absorb everything. And hopefully, mag-translate po sa future episodes po ng High Street. So, I'm
Sana
very
maging,
excited.
maging another Tommy or another Miggy ka rin na naging mainstream talagang actors na
Opo,
talaga, di
sana
ba?
po. Opo.
Oo, kasi ang husay pala, kailangan lang palang matap yung... May naturalesa siya direct, si Ralph, na parang na parang Miggy noon, na parang sabi ko, direct, ang gwapo-gwapo niya, lumabas yung pagkakuha ng Miggy.
Lalo na pag-close up dito, EJ.
Sino si Ralph?
Dito ka, dito.
Oh, may nalapitan mo siya.
Okay. Of course, we also have AC
Ay, given na to naman, sa AC naman, napakahusay
Kinakabahan po
nito.
ako. Lagi po akong kinakabahan on set or even when they text na may taping po, I'm like, oh no, I'm so scared. Because these are really top-notch actresses and actors and directors din po na pinapanood ko na po, bata pa po ako.
Sinong idol mo dito sa mga
Si Sai po sa Agua Bendita. Sinabi ko na po to sa kanya. I've watched all of them since I was a kid back in Canada. Kaya it's such an honor really to go on set and work with these actors and actresses.
58% yung Agua Bendita.
Because aside from them being such amazing actors and actresses, yun nga po, they're beautiful human beings, beautiful souls, who have really welcomed us onto set with open arms. And it's been such a great experience. Lagi po akong kinakabahan po talaga, but I've learned so much and they've helped me grow and discover more within myself.
Lyrical
throughout
beat pa
all
lang,
of it.
mahusay ka
Opo.
na
Ay,
eh.
hindi po, thank you po. And working with Blake, of course, again, it's like a small step into being comfortable
Correct,
into being in
lyrical
being in a
beat.
new show. Opo.
Alright.
Thank you po.
Harvey, may pagka-natural ditong si Harvey pagbibitaw ng salita, ha? Diba? Ayan, even sa trailers.
Thank you po, Direk. Thank you.
Go ahead, Nak.
Ayun, iba kasi yung pressure going into a show na may established cast na yun nga, may season 1 na po sila. There's a bunch of lore na established na from season 1. Tapos jumping into season 2 as new characters, may pressure yun, I guess, for me personally to be able to fit myself in to the cast and syempre kina Direk to be able to get close to the cast and understand the character and communicate with Direk. But it's been amazing so far. It hasn't been as bad or as nerve-wracking as I thought it would be. It's been amazing. So yun, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo guys. Thank you for welcoming us. It means a lot to us. So yeah, it's been amazing so far.
Hindi ko po masabi kung ano yung tatakbuhin kasi kahit kami po, walang idea kung paano kami tatakbo. Paano siya tatakbo sa kulungan?
Si Direk Onet mag-share mamaya. Hindi pwede,
Tinatawanan
hindi
lang
ako
po
maano
kami ni
eh.
Direk Onat. Pero nung pitching pa lang po, nung nalaman ko na wala talaga kaming scene dapat together. Sabi ko, Direk, kahit isang scene lang, hindi talaga pwede. Kahit isang scene lang na pati naman sila ng slide. Or kasi buong show po sa senior high, never naman sila nagkaroon ng sweet scene. Pero yung pinitch po sa amin is, kung kami yung mag-boyfriend nung una, ganun. So parang sabi ko po, sayang naman yung fans kasi
True.
grabe po yung pagkapit ng fans sa amin. Ultimong lumipat na siya sa Batang Quiapo, akala nila pupunta ako doon. So parang sabi ko, uy, grabe naman, pagbigyan naman na natin sila.
Usay nito sa Batang Quiapo.
Opo.
Ang lalamon.
Kaya sana po, this time around, mapagbigyan po yung Rox Chi fans. Kahit kami po kasi wala rin kaming ma-share kasi wala pa po talaga kaming nakukuha
Bakit
na ni
wala
Jello
talagang
together.
plano ang show?
Wag!
Siya mo
Huwag
ba?
naman, Direk!
Kaya si ECS
Ay, si Direk po, bumuboses, meron daw po. So,
Direk Onet, share lang ng ano. Kasi ano mo namang yung kilig. Sige nga, go ahead, Direk Eric.
Hello.
You're
Hindi
on.
kasi we're sharing kasi our Archie. Elijah with Batang Quiapo.
Oo eh.
So, kaya sabi ko kay Archie talaga sasabi ko Elijah, pwede ka namin todo sa ano. Sige niya, go. Sabi ko, sige. Sinabi ko sa writer, pwede na yung todo. Kasi nga, nag-hold back pa kami kung papasok na ba namin full blast si Elijah because of Batang Quiapo nga. Kasi we're taping MWF, same with Batang Quiapo. So, ang hirap, di ba?
Grabe.
Although we can make naman changes, like we can take naman Tuesday or Thursday, pero yun lang talaga kailangan i-swing ng mga schedule ng mga artists. So baka now, kasi naka-week 4 na kami, mga susunod talaga, full blast na si Elijah sa amin.
Pinayagan ni Coco.
Kakausapin lang namin si
Ano kakausap, pero in-announce na dito sa ano.
Madali naman kausap sila ang Batang Quiapo, sila Direk Coco and everybody. Sabi naman nila, share, we can share.
Oo, ano?
Pinayagan nga nila si Elijah to be part of High Street, kaya siya nandito si Elijah sa amin. So,
Yun pala ang story niya. Direk, ko excited ka rin sa magiging yung journey ng character ng dalawa.
Ay, oo.
Kasi bilanggo, tao sa isa may anak na pinapangalan.
Correct. Actually, yung kwento tungkol dun sa sharing Elijah with Batang Quiapo, even without that, actually, yung kwento ng Archie at saka Roxy, tamang-tama lang sa kung asan sila ngayon para para mas mag-invest ang mga fans. Kasi mas masarap nakakasabik, mas kapapanabik, di ba? Yung dalawang magkalayo at gusto mong magkalapit.
I know.
Pero
Ano kaya yung
merong
gagawin?
inaadlangan ng maraming bagay. So it's really designed that way. So actually yung minor inconvenience ngayon nung schedule and all that actually works to the benefit. Kasi feeling ko, pag sumabog yung kwento ng Archie Roxy, which I promise everyone, sasabog yun. Kasi gusto ko naman, yun ang...
True.
Sila yung one of the more incomplete stories dun sa mga lahat ng actors natin, di ba? So we're definitely giving into that, ibigay namin yan.
So ano ang trabaho ni Poch? Charot na lagi bukod sa lagi nakasando.
Tito EJ,
Abangan nyo kung ba't lagi nakasando. Sino yung mga nakasando lagi?
Tito EJ, actually may question sa Team Poch. Kasi
Sige nga.
nag-mature na rin yung mga roles nyo dito. Gaano ka daw ba i-level up pa yung mga kilig scenes dito?
Nino.
Nilang ng Team
Iba na yung kapit sa akin ng unang show. Paano pa ngayon?
Correct.
Sige. Wala sa Team Poch.
Kasi yun, it's also a promise din siguro na
Ayan na.
Siguro po mas close tapos mas hindi ko alam kung intimate, tama ba yung word na intimate eh, pero yun, mas intimate ganun. Huh? Tingin sa mata. Tsaka, yun parang mas, sabi ko nga po, hindi natakot si Tim na i-express yung love niya para kay Poch. Ganun, mas
Actually.
wala nang hindi na siya nag-hold back.
Kay
Malinaw na
Miggy,
eh.
kay Miggy, mas comfortable na ba kayo working together now?
sobra. Hindi, wala na. I mean, parang siguro like as much as possible kung hindi rin kasi from the get-go pa lang naman nung senior high, hindi naman na kami nahirapan ni Zijan na like to talk about the scene, the objective. Kasi nga, andali nung chemistry kagad namin nag-click without even trying. Kaya sobrang iningatan din namin ni Zijan as much as possible and not to overdo it also.
Actually, never niyong ginawa. Hindi niyo ino-over yung I'm here!
Sorry.
Sorry. Galing. Sobrang galing.
Yun nga, salamat sa EJ. Hindi, pero yun, sana, kasi yung love story, hindi naman kami nag-break, which is nakita niyo naman. So, syempre mas marami pang mas detailed na kwento about sa Team Poch in the long run, which is mapapanood niyo naman. So, antayin niyo na lang, enjoy na lang natin yung proseso.
Yeah, thank you, Mix, for sharing. Go ahead, Miss Kenya.
Alright, well that concludes our
Si Alex Brosas,
Okay.
may tanong. Our colleague, dear friend
Yes
Alex.
po.
Mars, gusto magtanong na isang mabilisang tanong lang para kanino?
Yeah.
Hindi kompleto ang media can without a question from Alex.
Grabe ka naman. To Mon Confiado, to JK Labajo, and to Andrea.
Juan Carlos, Blythe, and Mon.
And Mon. Obviously, your characters are the biggest in the series. It's all form and all substance. Do you think, how well will you describe your characters? Is it more meat than bone? All bone and all meat? Or more less bone or more meat?
Beef broth yata.
Sorry,
Beef broth.
Sorry.
It's okay, we understand ano ka ba, Lex? More or less, alam niyo naman how to answer, di ba? Parang,
Yes.
ang substance nga eh.
Bones
Ayun
and
ang-
meats.
Go ahead. Beef broth or pork broth? Or
Just beef.
Oo, siyempre.
Rib eye.
Oo, ay na.
No, but I get the question.
Correct.
I feel like Gino is more of both. Bro.
Broth and...
Both. Sorry.
Kala ko ba gets mo? Sinungaling.
Hindi, gets ko nga. Hindi, pero like, kasi especially how Gino is standing up. As compared to senior high when Gino was just quiet.
Oo eh.
Right? Seeing his friends and even Luna back in senior high na kahit binubuli na si Gino, nakatunga nga lang. Na parang, alam mo yun. And the Gino that we see now in High Street is really someone who feels responsible for all of the actions that I suppose he did not take.
And he's one who really stands up for something now. And that's one thing that I really admire about Chino now that I'm portraying for High Street.
Ganda.
Kasi he's
Ganda.
both meat and bones.
Ayan. Tigilan mo ako sa kakagamit kasi hindi mo na paninindigan yung meat and broth.
Di ba yun ang, yeah, exactly.
Totoo naman.
Yeah, exactly. So yun.
Thank you, Juan Carlos. Mon, Diyos ko.
Oo, kasi
Mahiga ka lang. Ikaw pa ang pinag-uusapan.
hindi, napakaganda kasi ng pagkakasulat talaga ng character
Actually,
ni
sequence
Governor
1 pa lang
Acosta.
eh.
In fact, nagulat nga ako nasa wiki fandom na si Governor Acosta na kumbaga yung mga best contrabidas in the world.
Correct,
na
totoo.
characters nandun.
Yes naman.
Di ba?
Of course.
Tapos ang laki kasi nung pinanggalingan ng character ni Gov Acosta from the season 1 sa senior high, di ba? Imagine, pagkahulog niya at nabuhay, dun pa lang, nung nakita ko nung nabasa ko yung script, sabi ko malaki ang ibibigay pa rin ni Gov dito dahil syempre, imposibleng hindi yan maghasik ng lagim o gumante. Ang problema, paano? Kasi baldado siya.
Tapos
As of
naisip ng creative yun.
Diba? So parang ang hirap eh. So napakaganda nung hindi lang talaga namin pwedeng ibato o i-reveal. Pero imagine paano gaganti si Gov sa kalagayan niya ngayon. Pero definitely gaganti yan.
Correct. Oh. Ay, Diyos ko, may nananahimik na isang nakaganyan lang dyan. Sino ba yung kumaganti?
Yun ang nakakaalam eh.
Nako, marami pang revelation, Mare, Alex. Ang dami magaganap. At no more, si Blythe, are we ready for Blythe? Okay.
I think Sky is more bone, less meat. Kasi, compared sa mga kalaban niya, hindi pa po siya talaga buo. Mas bata pa po, less equipped. Si Sky, mas wala siyang pera. So I think she's more bone kasi I think kahit puro ka meat, you can't stand if wala kang structure, if wala kang bone. At least si Sky, kahit ano ibigay sa kanya, she is able to withstand kahit anong ibato sa kanya ng mundo, kahit bagets pa siya, kahit mas lamang yung mga kalaban niya. So, kahit anong ibato sa kanya ng buhay, parang yung bones niya nagre-remain pa rin na nakatayo. And ano pa rin siya, lagi niya pa rin pinaglalaban kung anong sa tingin niya yung tama. And siguro more bone, less meat kasi hindi pa po siya perfect. Marami pa po siyang kailangan pang pagdaanan para maging buo siya.
Okay.
That's what I think.
Thank you.
Nasagot ko po ba yung
Oo. Miss Kenya, at this point, gusto mo nang i-close with two directors
Yes.
and then Blythe doing the pasasalamat in behalf of the whole cast. Go
Yes,
ahead.
Tito EJ, well that concludes our grand MediaCon. Again, maraming salamat.
Direct Onat Diaz will have to say the parting shot.
Yes. Yes, go ahead, Direk Onat. Any last message sa ating mga kapamilya
Or
na
pasasalamat.
nakatulong? And, of course, invite everybody to watch High Street.
Maraming salamat po uli sa support niyo lahat sa Senior High sa ngayon sa High Street. Inaasahan ko po ang patuloy niyo kaming abangan, susubaybayan, at i-engage sa social media at saka ipagsasabi sa mga kasama sa mga kakilala niyo about our show. Maraming salamat po talaga at muli ko po kayo inimbitahan sa High Street ngayon pong May 13 na at 9:30 p.m.
Thank you so much. Direct Nino, mabilisan Direct Nino.
In behalf of ABS-CBN, Dreamscape, our wonderful crew that's here with us and our production team, maraming salamat, supportahan niyo po ang High Street. Thank you for spending your afternoon here with us. Salamat po.
Thank you, Direct Nino. And of course, in behalf of the whole cast, Blythe, isang mabilisang pasasalamat and thank you sa lahat nandito today.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, Dreamscape. Maraming salamat po ulit sa show na to and wala man siya physically, alam ko nandito siya in the room with us at nanonood siya at alam ko papanoorin niya to High Street. Maraming salamat, Sir Deo. Hindi talaga mabubuo itong project na to kundi dahil sa inyo and alam namin na kung gaano nyo kagusto magkaroon ng part 2 ang Senior High. Kaya promise, gagalingan namin, bibigyan namin yung best namin para maging maganda po ang High Street para sa inyo. And we will try our very best to take it to the highest level. Maraming salamat po kayo. Tulungan niyo po kami to spread the word. High Street po, May 13, mapapanood po sa I Want TFC, Kapamilya Online Live, A to Z, and TV5. Maraming salamat po. 9:30 po yan. Mondays and Fridays. Thank you.
Alright, again, thank you so much for the